Hi, and welcome to Keeping It Real in Real Estate with Annette Marble and Associates at Key Realty. Wanted to finish a session that we started a week ago with the first-time home buyers on how to get started to purchase your first home. Step one was to contact a realtor. That's me. Give me a call, Annette Marble. Second step is to get you set up with a lender, mortgage company, or banking company to see if you are pre-approved. And that is the best way to get you started. So like we said before, a prepared buyer is a better buyer. And what we want to do in order to get you started on that process, there's a few things that you're going to need to know. You're going to need to know what your credit score is, what your buying power is as far as how much you can afford to buy, price point of looking for a home, how much you want to pay per month, what your closing cost fees are going to be, and what's your fee going to be out of pocket. When you purchase a home, we have several things that are going to have to be paid for up front. That could be your home inspection, your appraisal, earnest money, which you will get that back at closing, and then how much you're going to need as far as a down payment. In order to do that, we talk to a lender, we get you all set up, you get all that information up front so there's no surprises at the end. If you have any more questions, just give me a call. I'm Annette Marble with Annette Marble and Associates, and we're keeping it real here in real estate at Key Realty. Look forward to talking to you.